Good morning. We're something really different this morning. We're at the school. Today is drive your tractor to school day today. So as you can see them coming down the road. Here they come. Guess it's tractor slash combine day. We're back to moving manure again today. Got some trucks rolling. We don't own the trucks, we custom hire it out. Here's a little better shot of the lagoon here. It's a lot of manure. These guys load up here, and we're pretty short haul this way or today, so we'll run over to the field here and see how the spreading's going in the field. It's not the sprinkler you want to run through, trust me. But yeah, that's it. You know, trucks will come to the field and they offload into the spreader, and the spreader applies it out into the field. We just stopped back in the shop here, and I don't know if you remember from a couple videos ago, I was talking about these cylinder rods on the 24-row planter. You can see here's an old one, and the discoloration, and it's pitted, and then here's a new one. You can see the difference in the two of them. I guess there was just a bad finish or something on this round of cylinder rods. There was, I don't know, 2 or 3 other planters just like the one we have sold in this area last year, and you know, ours needed them, and one other farm needed them, but then there was 1 or 2 other ones that they were fine on. And we've got another planter that was new last year as well, pretty much the same planter, just a little different, but you'll see that here in a few days that these cylinder rods are fine on. They still look like they're brand new. So this is warranty work. You know, we don't call the dealer to change tires for us, and you know, like I said, this is under warranty. This is something that's covered by John Deere, and our dealer who's been really good to us. So that's why they're here doing this work. So yeah, that will probably do it for today. And you know, we're moving a bunch of manure today, doing some shop work and stuff like that, but Ground's probably still a little wet to be spreading fertilizer on some of our onion ground, so we'll hold off on that. So that's going to wrap this up. If you guys could please, if you like what you're seeing, if you could please give the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.